Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be introducing you to how I edit my Instagram pictures. So first of all, I'm working with Aglow Presets from Etsy, and they were sweet enough to let me try out a couple of their presets. And in case you are unsure of what a preset is, it's basically just like a set of filter tones and color combinations for your pictures. So you might be wondering exactly how I'm editing this and what type of program I'm using at the moment. Well, this is actually the Lightroom mobile edition that is actually free for your phone, so it won't cost you a thing. The only thing you would probably need to pay for is the presets, depending on what presets you pick out and how many you want. As far as how much a preset costs, I will leave all the links down below and you guys can find out more information there. But let's go ahead and continue with the rest of this video. So first things first, don't be scared to use a preset. I was kind of scared at first, and I was really unsure of how it would turn out and what to do with it, but I learned pretty quickly that there's really no reason to be scared, and this is just something that you play around with and you just see each result and what to do differently. So something else that is really important is I would get familiar with Lightroom. Lightroom is pretty easy, but then again, there is a learning curve that if you're not used to this kind of stuff, you definitely have to play around and just see what works for you. Knowing what saturation, darkness, and the color corrections and so forth, those things are really important, and if you know how to adjust each one, this will be much easier for you, and you'll find out that it's really not that hard. If you find that these things are still a little bit difficult for you and you want a little bit more information on kind of how-to tips and just to see how it all works, then you can definitely check out Aglow's Instagram, and they have a how-to and instructions and even tips on there, and I think you'll find that very helpful. hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video. I will talk to you guys later. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That helps me out a lot. And it's free for you guys, so it won't cost you a thing. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.